This story is brought to you by the Health and Homeopathy podcast.
So then we started on his allergies, which he had pretty severe allergies, but they were late. They came when they started when he was about 16 years old. And he left at 18, so I wasn't really aware. So we started him on the low stomach acid / GERD protocol, along with Bovista and Sanguinaria, because his nose was like a faucet year round. Every day of the year, his nose just drained. It took him about 19 and a half months. And that's why I say it's important to be diligent and have patience. And he did. He had both. 19 and a half months, he zeroed out because we use muscle testing, and I'll talk a little bit about that in a little while. But he zeroed out. And so when you zero out, when you test negative for the remedies, you're done. And that was also about 3 years ago. And every summer now, every spring, he's perfectly fine. I always ask him, how are the allergies? He says, what allergies? So those two things just by themselves completely blew my mind. Just totally blew my mind.
Be sure to like and subscribe, and share this story with someone who needs the healing power of homeopathy.